Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about cleaning the string. In previous lessons we have learned about the length function, and today I'm going to use two functions. With substring we can pull out specific letters from a string, and with trim we can remove the spaces. So here first of all I just write the structure, select from. Whenever we write from, after that we have to write the name of the table. I just write here my table, and the third one is where, and here I want to pull out the customer ID, so I just type here under the select customer ID, and under the where I use the substring function, so I just type here substring, and here you can see we have to insert three things. So the first one is the value, so I'm going to write the name of the country. The second one, the position from which letter should it started, and the third one is the length of the letters, so how many. So I just type here country, comma, my letters should start from the first string 1, comma, and I need 2 letters. It equal to US and run. You can see here I have these 29 rows here. So it's about the substring function, and now I want to remove space with trim function. So here I want to just delete this and write here the structure, select from. After from I should write the name of my table, and where. So this or the structure. So, and here I need the state, and here, so first of all I want to find the length of the state which are greater than 2. So I just type here length state greater than 2 and run. You can see I have found just the Ohio, which is OH, and we have extra space here. So how can we remove it? It's pretty easy, and instead of writing this I just remove this. I type here trim, and here I just select the state, and here equal to OH and run, and it's the result. You can see I have 7 states. If I don't choose the trim function here, so it will pull out just 6 states here. So for example I just remove this, and run again. You can see I have just 6 here. So that's it about trim and substring functions. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.